Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And this is a live trade on Cadjpy. Let me just pull up the US oil chart here real quick. Make that bigger. And let me see if I could try and break down how I got this trade. Let's see. Oh no, my Epic Pen isn't working at all. Or maybe it doesn't work over like this website. I don't know. Cause it's working on my other screen, but it's not working on over here. That's kind of strange. Let me see. Yeah, it's not registering over here at all. Alright. So yeah, let's see, where did I start looking at this? I think it was somewhere around here where I was seeing US oil was, it kind of, oh yeah, around this area here at around 1505. I was starting to see this this wick rejection here, this push up, but we kind of feeling here at R1. And I was kind of watching oil before on another trade, so you could check out my other trades on YouTube there. Just, you know, click these previous videos. And I was seeing the weakness developing on the US oil chart. So then I went to let's see, the yen chart right here. I was seeing the weakness, not the weakness, but the strength starting to build up in the yen chart. We catching some support here and we starting to push up. So then I went over to Cadjpy and I went short right here. Like we was having this sideways movement, and I just took the breakdown of this level right here, like this wick rejection right here, this last piece of support. You see the volume wasn't really that much. Volume is rising with the purple candles, which is the selling candles, and I just took the break right here. And now let's see, we almost at profit, so I'm gonna just trail my profit down to volume point of control and see how much we could capture with this. So this was a heavier lot size. This was 0.05, so I took a lot of risk. Well, not a lot, it's not a lot of money, it's just I'm just practicing with Forex right now, but I decided just to take more risk with this setup. The way the setup was materializing, I took more risk because the US oil chart is looking like it's gonna sell off. JPY basket is looking like it's gaining some strength, finding some support. So this is the perfect pair to trade with that kind of contrast, you know. So if oil is gonna go down, CAD is gonna go down. If the JPY basket is gonna move up, obviously, well, the JPY will get stronger, so it'll cause this pair to go down. And I should probably trail my stop into profit above R3, kind of like a break-even kind of status, and see where we could get this trade back to. Maybe R4 on the Camarillas. Let's see how much pips is that. That'll be 54 pips. Will it actually do that though? I mean, it's a good attempt. It's a good spot to take profit. Also, this is a good target as well, this volume point of control. See how much activity is going on right here. Could probably get back to that and bounce, or we could pull back to this other volume point of control, this dash white line right here at R4. Let me take a closer look at the US oil chart and see what kind of levels we got. So it's the same kind of setup. We got two levels right here. We can probably catch this support right here. or we could go down to these levels. And since we already at S1 S with the R3 rejection, I'm thinking I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna try and catch this all the way down to S3, because it might be a R3 to S3 movement. So I'm a bank on the continuation of this oil weakness. And let's see, go back to, oh yeah. So yeah, I think I'm gonna move my take profit to this point right here. Let me see what number was that. 48. So I'm gonna put it up to 50. 50.05. 102, 50.05. That's right at the top of this zone, the bottom of this zone. Yeah, so that's a good I could reevaluate that stop, that take profit when I get closer to it. And this right here, I think I want to move my my stop loss to above this candle right here. So below R3, but above R3 floor pivot, but above Camarilla R5. Because right now we at this upper VWAP line, this red line right here. In an uptrend, this is usually support. So let me see if it's going to create some kind of support right here. So I got the 15 minute, the CAD 15 minute over here, Cadjpy. That's over here. Got the 5 minute, got the 15 minute Renko chart over here. It's showing you where the reversal is taking place. And I think I caught that reversal nice. This entry right here on this reversal is a nice entry. So let's see how far it'll go. Let's see, I secured how much? Secured 8 pips in profit. So not too bad. Not too bad. Actually, I'm thinking about just making it around 10, but let me leave it. Let me let it play out. Well, I should secure everything. Anything above R5, I should secure that to 102.87. But nah, gotta give it some room. It's Forex, you know. Things gonna whipsaw and move. Even this guy might get wicked out on like a, you know, a retracement or something like that. Alright, y'all. So my take profit is at let's see, 102.505. Let's see if I can get to that. Let me set some alerts here when we get to VPOC. 102.667. Floor pivot R3. 102.622. And just keep monitoring it as it comes down. If we break these two accumulation levels here, let's see what it's called, accumulation and distribution, is the quantum dynamic accumulation and distribution indicator. So the more times that these levels get hit, they create a line and they tell you how much time it's been hit. So this resistance line, this red dash line, has been hit twice from the bottom, and this support line has been hit 3 times from the top and created support. So it's good to set a stop loss, not a stop, an alert for when we do break through that. And just let the trade play out, you know. Set some alerts at these resistance and support levels here. This is a high volume node right here, so place one here as well. Place one at upper VWAP. When we get back to that, I want to be notified. And let's just see what it is going to do, you know. Oh, let me put something here for the US oil chart. If we break back above this level, I want to know. If we break down here, I want to know. Alright, so that's my live trade on Cadjpy. Hopefully we break down to those volume pointer control lines, and 102.505 is my target. Right now we at 102.82.6. So let's see what happens, you know. Alright y'all, it's King Yadiya aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and y'all trade safe and do the same.